How much does it cost to lift a truck? Trucks are lifted for a variety of reasons by both truck drivers and fans. Installing larger tires can sometimes be done for the purpose of making a truck better suited for off-roading. It may also be a cosmetic operation intended only to provide an improved balance, wear resistance, or looks. Performing a lift on a truck has a lot of benefits. Cost is one factor, though, that affects whether or not such a process may be started. So let's learn how much does it cost to lift a truck. The price is directly influenced by the kits you choose. The two main kits are perfect for lifting a truck, but due to their different roles and needed sizes, they range widely in price. Because they can raise any body section of a car, lift kits typically cost more than leveling kits. Lower scale lift kits typically range in price from $400 to $12,000 and can raise a truck by 2 to 5 inches. Higher scale lift kits often cost $10,000 to $15,000 and can raise a truck by 6 inches or more. The cost of common leveling kits normally falls between $200 and $1,000. Lift height. The height at which you intend to tow your truck has an impact on the cost as well. The price can be kept to a minimum if you are only adding an inch by doing this quietly. The amount of work required increases when the vehicle is raised higher. To get the desired height, you might need to replace suspension elements and other pricey components. The type of lift. There are various lift kit designs available to you, and the one that will affect the price the most is the price itself. In just a moment, we will go through each of these lifts in further detail. The cheapest alternative up to that point is to purchase a leveling kit, which evens out the truck's height for a small boost rather than adding height to the entire vehicle. The body raise kit, which is much less expensive than a suspension lift, comes next. But each has advantages and disadvantages that are worth taking into account. Leveling kits. Leveling kits are used by truck drivers and enthusiasts to assist balance out unbalanced and problematic trucks. These imbalances frequently happen when large pieces of equipment are loaded into the truck, usually in the bed. Only if the desired height is within the range of 2 inches can leveling kits be used to remedy such unevenness. A raise kit should be used if a lift of more than 2 inches is required. Lift kits. Depending on how many inches they can lift a truck, there are 2 different varieties of these kits. Small lift kits of one kind are used to raise trucks by 2 to 5 inches. The larger kits in the other versions lift trucks by at least 6 inches. Suspension lift or body lift. Choosing between a suspension lift kit and the body lift kit is another factor that truck enthusiasts should think about. The latter are perfect for customers who want to install larger tires without changing the truck's fundamental structure because they can lift the truck without compromising its integrity. On the other hand, the former will increase a truck's height but also change its fundamental design. So suspension lift packages frequently cost more than body lift kits. It can give you a confidence boost, unlike anything you've ever felt to be driving a raised vehicle. Everywhere you travel, you'll attract attention, which will increase your appeal to other drivers. However, is the lift kit pricey? Your budget will determine this. The lift kit can offer better ground clearance if you can afford to make the necessary upgrades. This is useful if you want to better protect the underneath of your truck when off-roading. You can also experience a better ride with a suspension system change. You might splurge and get a set of tires that will further improve the traction if you install larger tires. However, you must be equipped to bear higher wear and tear costs. Additionally, a decrease in fuel efficiency may be seen, which should be anticipated. Depending on where in the nation you live, selling the truck can also be more challenging. Doing it yourself. You should consider that this is a method that requires skill before deciding to embark on this work yourself. If you are knowledgeable about the procedure and have the necessary skills to complete the work, you should only attempt to install a lift kit. If not, hiring a professional is your best bet to guarantee an installation that is safe. Lift kit installation may initially appear to be a simple task. But even a small installation mistake might result in a damaged car that is unsafe and prone to breakdowns. The cost of repairing a damaged car will therefore exceed the cost of having the kit properly installed. However, if you have prior expertise in installing lift kits, these precautions might not be necessary for you. After installation, it is still essential that you take your truck to a licensed mechanic to make sure everything was done properly. A licensed mechanic can examine your installation to see if it is suitable and secure for use. If you do it yourself, buying and installing a raise kit could cost you $400 to $4,000. A leveling kit that you purchase and install on your own may cost between $400 and $2,000. Hiring a professional when installing a lift kit, even the most experienced car guy, may experience problems. Therefore, having your chosen equipment installed by an expert is always recommended. Hiring a pro will not only make installation simple, but it will also give you peace of mind because a qualified professional will be handling what is frequently a difficult operation. You won't have to be concerned about making a crucial and potentially costly error during installation. Hiring a professional would likely cost you a little bit more than a DIY installation. The kits, extra work, and truck model all affect the installation cost. In most cases, the cost of installing a kit is equal to or somewhat higher than the cost of the kit itself. For instance, the installation fee for a $150 leveling kit should be about $150. The same holds true for installing a $2,000 body lift kit, however, the suggested cost will be higher for more comprehensive packages. Which of these two approaches is ideal for you will mostly depend on your familiarity with trucks and lift kits. Buying and installing a lift kit done by a professional may cost between $800 and $12,000. You may spend about $800 to $4,000 buying and installing a leveling kit from a professional. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.